Hi everyone, welcome to DigitalGasser. Today we'll be talking about how to use CreateStudio's new AI feature called VSL Creator. This can be used for those that want to create sales videos. You can use it for yourself, you can use it for your clients. So let's hop into CreateStudio's dashboard. Okay, at the extreme right of CreateStudio, you'll see this VSL Creator. All you need to do is to click on it. And by the way, CreateStudio says that it was built based on the sales script of best sales people in the world. So you can expect to get the best sales script or video sales script from this application. So it will ask you a few questions, and when it's done, about 7 questions. If you don't have the answer to these questions, you just go to AI and it will answer it for you. When you're done, click next, and it starts generating the script for you. After which you can go through the script to see if you want to make some adjustments, delete some things, add some things. This is where you do that. When you are okay with your script, you can click next. Here is where you select your voiceover. You can preview them and see what they sound like. You'll be selecting Brian for this. Click next. Then this is where you select the music you want to use. You have the corporate, we have the cinematic, you have Christmas, you have rock, you have all kind of videos you want to use: hip hop, pop, happy dance, for using corporate. So click corporate and you click next. So here is where you choose your background, the style of your VSL. There are many styles here. You can preview them. But one thing I would have loved CreateStudio to do is to add the background generation. It would be like a video. Then let's use this smooth shape and continue. Our video is ready. Let's start editing it. Okay, our video is ready. Let's play the video and see what it looks like.
Why do small and medium-sized businesses struggle to get visibility and engagement on social media? For many, it's not just about posting a few updates. It's the frustration of watching competitors thrive while they fade away, or feeling invisible in a crowded market. The real problem? It's not what you think. It's the lack of a solid social media strategy. Many businesses assume posting more often will solve their problems, but without understanding trends and algorithms, they're just spinning their wheels. The better way? Focus on a customized social media strategy. This means creating engaging content that speaks directly to their audience. It's about building relationships, not just followers. Jack from SocialsGate said, "Before working with DigitalGasser, our social media was inconsistent. Within 3 months, our engagement increased by 300%. They started getting inbound leads from Instagram and Facebook." Imagine having a strong online presence where customers trust your brand. Picture converting followers into loyal clients and finally having the time to focus on your business. Click below to discover how we achieve a powerful online presence with the DigitalGasser social growth system.
Wow, this is very, very beautiful. I would post this on my social media accounts. But before we go ahead, I want to address some tweaks I will have to make on this. I would like to display some videos instead of the shapes moving up and down. I would like to display some videos at the end behind the script. So let's work on that now. I'm done with customizing the background of the video, and it's so amazing. It's putting some videos, making it more engaging, and it's something you just want to look at. But the problem I have with CreateStudio, their VSL, is that you cannot customize the text when you're done. You cannot put in the backgrounds you want. The same way, the only thing you can do is to expand the size or reduce the size. So what I did was to reduce the opacity of the video so that the image could pop out more. That's just one problem I've seen with the VSL, but I know that they'll work on it. They keep improving, they keep making adjustments to their software. So let's play the video and let's see how it looks now.
Why do small and medium-sized businesses struggle to get visibility and engagement on social media? For many, it's not just about posting a few updates. It's the frustration of watching competitors thrive while they fade away, or feeling invisible in a crowded market. The real problem? It's not what you think. It's the lack of a solid social media strategy. Many businesses assume posting more often will solve their problems, but without understanding trends and algorithms, they're just spinning their wheels. The better way? Focus on a customized social media strategy. This means creating engaging content that speaks directly to their audience. It's about building relationships, not just followers. Jack from SocialsGate said, "Before working with DigitalGasser, our social media was inconsistent. Within 3 months, our engagement increased by 300%. They started getting inbound leads from Instagram and Facebook. Imagine having a strong online presence where customers trust your brand. Picture converting followers into loyal clients and finally having the time to focus on your business." Click below to discover how we achieve a powerful online presence with the DigitalGasser social growth system.
This is amazing. It's very nice. And the amazing thing about this software is that you don't even need to leave the software, unlike CapCut, where you have to go get your videos. You can just go in here, the media, and you can search, import your video. You don't need to leave. Even editing, everything can be done on this software. So it's a very good software, and I think every business person should have this software. When you go to CapCut, it was totally free before, but now you pay $24 per month. Now calculate it 24 times 1 year. That's almost that's $290 every year you'll be paying for this software that does not have any animation, that does not even give you all the features CreateStudio will give you. And if you should go to CreateStudio's website, they offer some plans that are even less than that, with all the amazing features. And their best valued plan is $299 per year. Good deal I want to give to you. If you should get CreateStudio through the link in the description today, you will get access to it for a lifetime, and you will not be paying this $299, almost $300 every year for it. You will pay only once, and guess how much you will pay for it? You will only pay $67 for a lifetime. Is it not a wonderful deal? Let me show you the comparison between it and other applications. You see, as a software, CreateStudio gives you access to all these features, and other softwares that do similar things to CreateStudio, they charge like 10 times more than CreateStudio, and still they don't still give all the features that you get from CreateStudio, and you pay per year. Imagine selling a video sales letter to a company. You're not going to charge them $67. You will charge them more than that to create that video. Go to Upwork and see how much they charge for VSL videos. Click the subscription button to get notified whenever we publish a new video. Till next time, bye.